Maintaining a nutritious diet is essential for overall health. Here are some healthy eating hacks and simple recipes to incorporate into your routine. Meal prep. Set aside time each week to plan and prepare your meals in advance. This helps you make healthier choices and saves time during busy weekdays. Prepare batches of grains, lean proteins, and chopped vegetables to assemble quick and nutritious meals throughout the week. Smoothies. Whip up a nutritious smoothie by blending together a combination of fruits, vegetables, and a protein source like Greek yogurt or a scoop of protein powder. You can also add a handful of greens like spinach or kale for an extra nutritional boost. Veggie-packed salads. Make salads more exciting and filling by adding a variety of colorful vegetables. Include ingredients like mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, carrots, and avocado. Top with lean protein sources such as grilled chicken, tofu, or chickpeas, and drizzle with a homemade vinaigrette. Overnight oats. Prepare a jar of overnight oats the night before for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Combine rolled oats, milk, dairy or plant-based, chia seeds, and a sweetener of your choice. In the morning, top it with fresh fruits, nuts, or seeds for added flavor and texture. Sheet pan meals. Simplify mealtime by cooking everything on a single sheet pan. Toss your choice of protein, such as chicken breasts or fish fillets, and vegetables, like broccoli, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes, with olive oil, herbs, and spices. Roast in the oven for a complete, flavorful, and healthy meal. Stir fries. Stir fries are quick and versatile. Use a combination of colorful vegetables, lean protein, such as shrimp, tofu, or chicken, and a source of healthy fats, like sesame oil or avocado oil. Add flavorful sauces like soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and chili flakes for taste. Dear protein bowls. Build your own protein bowl by combining a base of whole grains or leafy greens, a lean protein source, such as grilled salmon, turkey, or beans, and a variety of toppings like roasted vegetables, avocado, nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of dressing or sauce. Baked snacks. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, try baking your own healthier versions. Make homemade baked sweet potato fries, kale chips, or roasted chickpeas seasoned with herbs and spices for a satisfying and nutritious snack. One-pan dinners. Opt for one-pan dinners that combine protein, vegetables, and grains or potatoes in a single dish. For example, roast chicken thighs with root vegetables or make a simple quinoa stir-fry with your choice of veggies and protein. Hydrating infused water. Infuse water with slices of citrus fruits, berries, cucumber, or herbs like mint or basil for a refreshing and hydrating drink. This can be a healthier alternative to sugary beverages. Remember to personalize these recipes based on your dietary preferences and consult a healthcare professional if you have specific dietary restrictions or health concerns. Enjoy experimenting with these healthy eating hacks and have fun creating nutritious meals.